In this video, we are going to see how we can deactivate the Facebook account temporarily so that you can take a break from the social media, whether you are busy in your exams or you want it to deactivate for any of the personal reasons. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just go to the account on the top right hand corner on your profile and click on settings and choose settings again. And on the left hand side, we can see this password and security in the account center section. Click on this. And once we are in here, we need to click on the personal details under the account settings option. Click on this personal details, go to the account ownership and click on deactivate or deletion. You choose the relevant profile and we choose deactivate account temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your photos will be removed from most things you have shared. So for the time period, you deactivate the account, your photos and all the information will not be shown up on Facebook. You continue with it and you continue with this. You re-enter your password, just click on continue, and that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.